Following a periodic maintenance schedule is important for engine longevity. Remember, the maintenance intervals listed in the Kawasaki service and owner's manuals are minimum requirements. Maintenance intervals may need to be shortened depending on the conditions in which the mower is being used. For instance, under very dusty conditions, oil changes and air filter cleaning or replacement will require more frequent service. Kawasaki Genuine Parts are made specifically for your engine. Factory-matched parts for a perfect fit and maximum protection for your engine. Kawasaki makes it easy to perform the proper routine maintenance on your engine. Simply pick up the appropriate tune-up kit at your local dealer. These kits include oil filter, spark plugs, fuel filter, and air filter, as well as complete instructions on how to perform this maintenance. To inspect the air filter element, turn the knobs counterclockwise and lift the cover for access. Clogged and damaged air filters can lead to significant engine damage if left uncorrected. You should remove any debris that has settled around the filter. Remove the air cleaner element. The filter may be cleaned by tapping it lightly on your hand to dislodge the debris from the media. Do not clean the air filter with compressed air. This will tear holes in the filter media, allowing dirt to pass into the engine through the filter. By shining a light through the filter, you can determine the condition of the filter. Light should shine evenly through the filter. If pinholes of light shine through the filter, it indicates the presence of small tears in the media. Air filter replacement will be necessary. If no light can be seen through the air filter, this indicates excessive dirt restriction. If your engine is equipped with an intake tube, inspect for debris and remove before installing air filter. If very dirty, replace the filter with a new one. After installing the air filter, make sure the air filter is securely tightened by wiggling the filter. To replace the spark plug, begin by making sure the engine is cool. Disconnect the spark plug caps from the existing spark plugs, then remove spark plugs. Install and tighten the new spark plugs. Reattach the spark plug caps to the new spark plugs securely. To change the fuel filter, simply remove the clamps and old filter. If the machine has a fuel shutoff valve, turn off the valve before removing the old filter. There may be residual fuel in the filter, so be cautious. Remember, when installing the new fuel filter, the arrow mark faces the fuel pump side. Always remember, if you have questions regarding your Kawasaki engine, you should contact your local authorized Kawasaki Engines dealer for the best information and service available. And remember to protect your investment by always choosing genuine Kawasaki parts for your engine maintenance. If you need help finding a local dealer, please visit KawasakiEnginesUSA.com and click the Find a Dealer button.